not the lash they fear. It is my divine power.
They ain't been started up in a while. Once you get warmed up, good to go. You can kind of hear that clicking. It's inside the transmission. It's the transmission bearings is what it is. So you don't take that to get it corrected. I gotta get a ride in though. I gotta get something there. Check out the Tahoe. This will be the next build. So if you're watching this video, you're getting a sneak peek of what's coming next on the base channel. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So we got the trailer all loaded up. Getting ready to go and pick up my bike. So get ready to go on an expedition in a Tahoe and not an expedition. But y'all get that. Look at all this country road. See all this country road? Yeah. So we still traveling. You know what I'm saying? Rainy day. Wish it would have been a better day, but we had to get this done today. It's gonna rain, that's why we got the closed in trailer. We didn't get the open trailer. So got a couple more hours. Get on there. Right outside of Nashville, Tennessee, so just keep rolling. Cut you back on. Making our first little pit stop. Like a pilot gas station. Look cool out here. Look at that unleaded gas. $3.77. That can't be right. No way that's right. Look at this pump. Nah. It's $1.89. Yeah, they need to change that sign. That's false advertising. They ain't gonna get no business like that, bruh. God dang. Woo. Came out of there with some Arby's. Worst breakfast ever. I should have got a picture of the biscuit. You order a chicken biscuit, they give you a chicken finger. Biscuit had a nice taste to it. Yeah, that's the chicken finger you get. That's all the chicken you get on a whole biscuit. So that's the reason why Arby's don't even have a high traffic of breakfast in there. That's why you always see Hardee's and Bojangles, because you actually get the whole biscuit with chicken. Mountains. Folks out in Cali don't even see this. Out west. Mountains. Maybe you do.
Take the exit. Then keep right toward Ridgetop and Speedway.
Gonna pull back here in the back. Ooh. Look at that bad boy right there. Some nice bison, yeah. All right. Ooh, look at that. Nice bike right there. I like these grips though. I like these. Yeah, these are the grips I like right there. Yeah. Yeah, look at that bad boy right there. Draped up, dripped out. Fat grips on that sucker. It's got the 240 kit on it. Got the triple tree yoke caps on it. All chrome. Got the chrome pegs on it. I went with a Voodoo full exhaust on it. With a shorty pipe on the side. Okay. They changed the level too. Brake pad, brake level. Got the chrome pegs. Chrome this. I didn't get a chrome kickstand, but I didn't really need that. But yeah, just a little chrome package on it, just a little chrome. Then got the chrome frame cap. I was gonna get this right here, but I said, I'm good. But it's got the got these wheels on there. But they did a good job on it. I'll let y'all hear it here in just a second. Hold on. Woo! Yeah, man. Got it on the trailer. We on there. I'll get this thing strapped in, bro. Yep. Got to tank up a little bit. Get some snaps on the petrol. Gonna go in here and look at this beauty real quick and make sure everything's still secure. thing's still good. Still rolling nice. Still tight. See it's still rolling good.
Dreamliners gang.
Everything's still secure. Yeah, boy. Go ahead and lock this bad boy back up and get on the road so I can take this thing back out. Nothing to see here, nothing to see here. Look at all this fog up on the mountain, guys. You know, Mount Eagle, Grundy County, where the kids don't go to school much. There's always snow up here. It's almost probably out. It's a high peak right here. Mount Swanee. Check it out. All that fog. It's like the mist. Feel like something's getting ready to jump out and get us. These 18-wheelers play no games. Yup. Can't even see nothing up there. Dang.